This is the side of Morrisons that you'll be used to seeing, our stores, where millions of customers come every week to buy great quality, affordable fresh food. But there's another side to Morrisons that a lot of people don't know about, and that's our manufacturing business. Whilst most supermarkets buy all their food from other manufacturers, we make around half of the fresh food we sell ourselves, either at one of our 18 production sites across the UK or in store with our fully trained colleagues. That's unique to us. We do it this way because customers want great fresh food that they can trust, and the best way to deliver that is to make it ourselves. It also helps us to keep costs down in our stores because we strip out the middlemen, and right now that's really important for everyone. We are the only supermarket in the UK committed to operating in this way, and we're proud because we think this is the right way to do business. We've been doing this for years, expanding our manufacturing capabilities at every stage. And we want to take you on our journey so you can see what really goes on in our food manufacturing business, why it's important, and the way that good quality fresh food reaches our customers. We pack 36,000 tonnes of carrots ourselves every year at our own produce sites, buying whole fields of the crop direct from the farmer. We can get the carrots straight from the farm, through our sites and then into store really quickly. Not only does that give customers a great tasting fresh product, but we can also cut down on road miles, so it's great for the environment too. On our fresh beef, we're buying cattle directly from the farmer. And the farmers like that because they get to see the supermarket that they are dealing with. And we like it because we get to see exactly what we're buying before it enters into our supply chain. We take almost 200,000 cattle direct from the farmers every year. That gives us traceability and assurance because we know exactly what we're buying and where it comes from. We source more than 50 varieties of quality fish from around the world for our fish counters. And our in-store fishmongers have the expertise to prepare it exactly to our customer specification. Our own seafood site in Grimsby allows us to personally take the whole fish through each step of the journey, from the moment it arrives in our factory to the time our shoppers pick it up in store. We currently process 10,000 tonnes of fish through our Grimsby site every year, and that allows us to keep close control of the quality of the fish we sell. Hopefully, now you've taken a look at our manufacturing business, you understand what makes Morrisons different to other supermarkets and the unique way in which we get our fresh food into our stores.
Okay, this field is 120 acres of carrots. They were drilled in April and we hope to harvest them in the following May. So we've had a real long-term relationship with Morrisons, right from planning through what crops we're going to grow and when we're going to harvest them, which has enabled us to expand our business and make the most of the crop we grow.
We've got a long-standing relationship with this farm, over 20 years now. We like to deal direct with growers because that gets us close to the farmers. We're able to take all the carrots from this field. We will take any that are too big or too small to fit into our retail packs and utilise them in other areas of the business.
Working closely with Morrisons enables us to get really fresh carrots, so from harvesting to get them on the shelf.
With Morrisons using the vertical integration model, we can take out the middleman that some of the other retailers have to use in their processes. So that's guaranteeing quality and freshness to our customers. The process the carrots go through here at Flaxby, they arrive straight from the field. They're quality checked on arrival to ensure that they meet our specification. Into the carrot wash, where the carrots are washed, polished and graded. And from there we pack them into retail packs to send them into stores. So the benefits that we here at Flaxby can give the customer and the business is that we are the guardians of quality. So we can guarantee the customer the best quality product at affordable prices.
The fact that we know where our carrot's coming from gives us good food security, food provenance. There's no middlemen involved, so that we're 100% certain where every pack of carrots has come from.
So we're very proud to be supplying Morrisons with fresh British produce on a regular basis.
Fresh food is a very important part to our business.
At Morrisons, we have our own team of livestock buyers, and they visit farms all over Britain, buying cattle, buying lambs and buying pigs. See, we don't buy meat in a packet from a middleman or a processor. Our buyers go all the way back to the farm, to farms we know and trust, and buy the best product direct from the farmer.
With a good relationship working with farmers, but some of these farmers we have been dealing with have been supplying us with stock for the last 25 years now.
So at Morrisons, the farmer works directly with our livestock buyers. And for him, that means there's no marketing costs. For us, it means we can get great tasting product, fresh to the consumer, at a really affordable price.
We only buy cattle that produce good meat for the customers.
All of the farms we work with at Morrisons, all 3,000 of them, each one is farm assured. That means they're certified to Red Tractor standard. In addition to that, all the cattle in this country have an ear tag, and that ear tag has a unique identifier. Each ear tag is backed up by a passport, and the passports are only surrendered when they go into the abattoir, so we have complete traceability on all the farms it's lived on all throughout its life. So this unique system with the ear tag numbers and the cattle passports give us a fantastic 100% assurance that what it says on the packet is actually what you get. At Morrisons, we have our own meat business. This is completely unique. So it goes from the best farmers, through our trained livestock buyers, and into our meat factories, where fully trained professionals are there trimming the meat, preparing the meat in just the right way. Unlike any other supermarket, the meat from our own meat company is delivered into store in large pieces. We call them primals. It's not butchered by a machine, it's hand cut in store to the size and specification that our customers want. This is completely unique in the British retail industry.
I can tell you as a butcher, we sell top quality meat sourced from the best British farms. Our butchers in store can cut you a joint to any size. It can be top side, silver side, a slow roasting piece of brisket, pork chops, lamb chops, anything you like that we can do. We're very proud of our hand produced sausage as well, that we make in most of our stores, keeping the traditional skills alive. During our butchers training programme, the guys go up to Dumfries House, which is our own farm in Scotland, to actually see our traditional beef breeding programme.
So what does all this mean, our unique supply chain, where we deal with dedicated farmers, with our own livestock buyers, with our own meat processing company, delivers primals into store for our own butchers to butcher? It means, above all else, it means you can trust the meat you buy in Morrisons, and it's always at an affordable price.
Our factory is based here in Grimsby, which has a great fishing heritage. We control all our quality direct from the source all the way through to the store.
The benefits of owning our own site are primarily the quality. We can take the fish that comes into our site, it's inspected on intake. The factory employs highly skilled colleagues who focus on handling the fish with quality in mind at every step. This is unique to Morrisons in the fact that it's vertically integrated. The big advantage is it cuts costs, and that allows us to deliver great quality products at great prices. Our in-store fishmongers are highly skilled and can prepare our fish to the customer's requirements.
No, they're not pretend fishmongers. These guys go through rigorous training. They are skilled at what they do.
We're all fully trained fishmongers and go through the 26 weeks Morrisons Academy.
Part of which involves going down to Billingsgate, where they learn from the best about fish quality and how to cook it.
The thing I love about my job is the interacting with the customers, filleting the fish, boning the fish, skinning the fish if they want it skinning, and then advice as well on how to cook it.
Morrisons is dedicated to providing quality fresh products to our customers.
We have a direct relationship with the world fishing industry.
We know it's fresh, it smells fresh, it looks fresh, it is fresh.